Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Roy and today I am traveling to Himachal Pradesh, Kasol to be precise, and thereafter we'll be traveling to Khirganga and Grahanala and many other places. So from here we'll be now we are at Rohini sector 18 at Delhi. So we'll be leaving in a few minutes. Our traveler has just arrived, and from here we will go on towards Kasol and we will stop for a dinner at a dhaba. So yeah, let's continue. Yeah, so the traveler has just arrived and we'll be heading towards Kasol now. So yeah, we will continue with the vlog. हो जाएगा. So now we have stopped for dinner and right now we are at Shiva Dhaba. So our group captain has told that we can find lots of amazing dishes out here to eat. So yeah, let's check it out what we can find. There are so many shops out here outside this dhaba. Just check it out. Oh, there is also a chocolate store out here and something else. They are also selling I guess this is kind of a live kitchen. It's quite big, yeah. You can see the crowd, there are so much people. नहीं, मैं यही करने वाला हूँ सबके साथ. यार ओके, थोड़ी देर बाद. Wow, this is papri chaat and looks really nice, but I think there is very less papri. इसके अंदर भी पापड़ी है क्या? नहीं है, सिर्फ चार पापड़ी है. ये सिर्फ इसमें दिख रहा है ना ऊपर ऊपर, ये बस ये ही है. ओके. नहीं, आप लोग खाते रहो ना. नहीं, ये कौन सा आइटम था?
This is chatpati chaat and this is malai chaat.
Okay. So this is chatpati chaat and that is malai chap. And they also gave us some pickles, some dahi, onion, and that is another sweet dahi, I guess. And these are the two sweet lassis which me and my friend have ordered, and yeah. ये गोभी पराठा है. अच्छा. Okay, so this is the gobi paratha. This is made up of cauliflower and this is प्याज का पराठा.
नहीं, this is आलू प्याज का पराठा.
Okay, this is aloo pyaz ka paratha
ये प्याज का पराठा.
and this is pyaz ka paratha.
And this is makhan.
Yeah, that is
Some
makhan.
more makhan but.
Yeah,
देसी मक्खन.
desi makhan. So we will just start eating now.
पराठे का नहीं पता चला. ये exactly कौन से होंगे?
Nice.
Now you should start eating.
यार ये गजब चीज़ है यार, जो भी है.
खाओ खाओ.
मेरे व्यूज़ बहुत अच्छे डालते हैं. मैं तो फैन हो गई जो भी चीज़ें हैं. मलाई चाप.
मैं जिसको भी खिलाता हूँ ना वो फैन हो जाता है.
टेस्ट करो ये. मतलब अगर
So I'm going to taste the.
आप बटर लगा दो.
हाँ.
अभी ठंडा हो जाएगा.
Wow.
भाई इस पे फोकस करो. ठंडी होकर अच्छी लगेगी.
हम बाहर जैसे
Papri chaat.
सब खा लेंगे. टेंशन मत लो.
Very nice. Hey, this butter.
जिनकी ऐसी हो गई.
यहाँ पे दिखाओ. I'll make some butter.
क्या नहीं मक्खन है तो. बोल ऐसा ना सुनो. इसका पेट करता है.
So now I'm also going to taste the sweet lassi. So creamy. The curd used in this lassi is very thick and also sweet. The lassi is really very nice, really good.
लास्ट टाइम तुमने हमारा किया था.
Wow, that restaurant is so nice. Looks like a monastery, right? But actually that is a restaurant. And just like this. Yeah, so this is the following day, and right now we have just stopped for breakfast, and we spent the night on the Traveller, and we really did not get to sleep because you know how it's to spend time on a Traveller, and but yeah, it's part of travel, and we have to adjust with that. So this is the restaurant behind me where we have come to have some breakfast, and it's pure veg, which I did not expect, but and the food was not up to the mark, so I had to manage with the cup noodles that I got from home. They were kind enough to give me some hot water free of cost, of course. So yeah, just we will have this, and we will head towards Kasol. I think this traffic jam will take around 1 hour or something like that, because there's some kind of construction work going on, It's what to say, nothing else, just to wait. Yeah, so now we have reached Kasol. The hotel which we are staying in is this one, the Woodland Magnic. It is pretty nice, and the rooms, I have not checked the rooms out yet. So, but from outside it looks pretty nice, and even there is a quite a great landscape at the back side. As you can see, there are very nice hills. So. And I guess that side, and I guess and that side there is a river flowing, because I can hear very nice water flowing sounds. And after we check the rooms and keep our luggages out there, then we will move towards the local market in Chalal. There is a place nearby, and let's check out the local markets then. Okay, and let's check out the rooms now. That's our traveler, and even there is a nice landscape out there. So let's check the rooms. Yeah, it's a quite nice room. There is a big bed. It can easily accommodate like 3 people, and there is a counter space, and here is our TV, and there is the washroom, of course, which I won't show you. yeah, so this was our room, and we are going to stay here for tonight. And now we are just going to get freshen up, and then we'll head towards the Chalal place, and then also we will check out the local markets. We just got freshen up from our hotel, and we have come to this place to have some quick snacks. So let's see what do we get here. I will try to show you the kitchen if they're cooking. So my हाँ हम दिल्ली हाँ बनाते हैं कभी कभी।
इंडिया में परोठा नहीं बनेगा तो कहाँ बनेगा?
वही तो नहीं बनता तो है, मतलब अभी दिखाना है दोस्तों को कि
ठीक है, परोठा बना रहे इधर।
हाँ वही
परोठा बना रहे, बटर टोस्ट बना रहे।
मेरी चाय कितनी हो गई है?
चाय की।
So this is the milk tea that I have ordered, and हाँ
आपका है ना चाय?
हाँ. So our friend here is making some sandwiches, butter toast to be precise, and butter toast, butter toast. And here she is making आलू पराठा है ना ये? आलू प्याज पराठा. This is aloo piyaz paratha, and this is the Maggi. Wow, look at the amount of butter that he is putting.
ओका छोटी 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 अभी मेरे पास किया है।
They're quite busy. They're quite busy in making this butter toasts. The amount of butter, wow, impressive.
Oh my god.
So much butter, yeah.
ये क्या बना रहे हो भैया?
Butter toast.
अच्छा.
देख के तो खाने का मन हो गया एकदम. So this is the Maggi that I have ordered. It's plain Maggi, and let's taste. Obviously, I've tasted this before. But it's tasty.
कितने साल पहले?
I was very hungry, so even this plain Maggi seems very tasty, and it's only 50 rupees.
You want me to pause it?
So I will just keep. So I will just finish this off, and we'll head towards the market.